As I sat down to prepare for this video, I had a moment of realization. I've completed 25 plus years in this journey. That's more than the quarter of a century, and I should probably get myself a long service award. But more than that, it got me thinking. Being a woman in the workplace, in leadership, in life, it isn't always easy. But it's always powerful. It's always awesome. Always full of possibilities. You have within you the ability to shape the world around you, to define your path, to stand tall in your choices. And if you truly believe that, then it will be so. I know there are days when you question who you are, where you're headed, and whether you're making the right decisions. That's part of the adventure. The uncertainty, the challenges, they are signposts and not stop signs. I often wish I had more strong role models guiding me, whispering words of wisdom when I felt lost. I wish I had known then what I know now. So today I want to share with you one of the biggest lessons I have learned, not from books, not from the boardrooms, but from life itself. We often hear about the power of mentorship. And don't get me wrong, great mentors can be invaluable. But somewhere along the way, searching for a mentor has become the professional equivalent of waiting for Prince Charming. We grew up on fairy tales that told us if we just waited, the right prince would arrive, whisking us away to our happily ever after. Now, the modern version of that story tells young women that if they can just find the right mentor, they will be pushed up the ladder straight to the corner office into success and fulfillment. There happily ever after. But here's the thing. Success isn't about waiting for someone else to discover you, guide you, or save you. It's about you. Beneath the titles, the roles, the expectations, beneath all of that is you. Your strength, your hunger to explore, your determination to carve your own way in this world. Don't shrink from new experiences. Take the plunge even when it's uncomfortable, especially when it's uncomfortable. Life will throw you curveballs, some unfair, some downright brutal. And yet, it is in these moments that you will find your deepest reserves of resilience. Lean into those moments, own them, learn from them, because they will shape you in ways no title, no award, no external validation ever can. I want to leave you with this thought. As Dumbledore wisely said, it is our choices, Harry, that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities. So take a deep breath, make the choice, whatever it is. Trust that it is your choice and that makes it the right one for you. And remember, you can have it all, just not all at once. Good luck.